Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Coinbase Wallet to Uniswap. So what you'll do is simple, click on this browser option, this second option over here. Once on that browser option, come to search engine over here or come to the search bar. Now once on the search bar, search for app.uniswap.org, app.uniswap, okay, .org. Then after searching for that, let it run. As you can see here, it's part of my history that I've been searching for it. So right now it's running. You have to be patient until it's done running and loading up the official Uniswap website. So it's now loading up. Let's be patient. As you can see, it has finished loading up. So right now, to connect your Coinbase wallet to Uniswap, what you'll do is quite simple. I just have to dismiss that. Now, as you can see over here, this option over here represents the connection. So click on that option over there. So once you click on that option, as you can see, your wallet will be automatically connected onto your Uniswap. So this means my Coinbase wallet over here has been connected onto my Uniswap. If you want to disconnect it, you can click on this power button over here and then you'll disconnect it. But right now, that's how to connect your Coinbase wallet to Uniswap. And you can use Uniswap to swap any tokens you want. For example, if you have Ethereum, you can select any token you have over here in your wallet and then swap it. Okay, so guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.